Hello and welcome to this quick video tutorial where I show you how to delete a Snapchat story. So I'm sure we've all been there. We accidentally posted something to our story on Snapchat and you want to delete it quickly. In order to do that, open up Snapchat, make sure you're logged in, obviously, and then tap on your little profile image or Bitmoji or story icon in the upper left-hand corner. That'll take you to your profile. Once we are here, we're going to scroll down to where we see something that says My Stories. Now, depending on how many stories and who you've shared them with, whether they're private, friends only, it doesn't really matter. You can see the different stories that you have posted currently and the ones that are live. So if we go to the one here that says Friends Only, we can tap into that, and that'll show us that we posted a story of my dogs 1 minute ago. If we tap and hold our finger on that story, we'll now have an option where it says Delete Snap. So we can go there and tap on Delete Snap, and that will completely remove that snap and that story from your profile. So go ahead and just tap on Delete Snap now, and it'll say, are you sure you want to delete the snap? Go ahead and tap on Delete, and you are good to go. Now, the same thing works for My Story Public. If you just tap into it there, it'll show you the story and when it was posted, and you can actually tap into it to go to the actual story, and you'll actually see a trash can icon here where we can basically tap the trash can icon at the bottom of the story there, and it says delete this snap. We'll go ahead and delete that now, and it will completely remove that from your story. That's it. That's how you delete a Snapchat story. If you have any questions, put those down below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.